Hello and welcome! In this video, we're going to make peanut butter cookies together. It's interesting that these cookies are made without flour, and they're really easy to bake. So if you'd like to make these delicious cookies at home, stay with me until the end of the video.
You'll need 1 large egg and 1 cup of super chunky peanut butter for this recipe. The super chunky peanut butter acts as the primary binding agent and fat source, contributing to the cookie's texture and richness. Its significant presence also forms the main flavor of the cookie. The standard-sized egg is used as a binder and to add moisture and richness to the ingredients.
This recipe calls for a ½ cup of white granulated sugar and a ½ cup of brown sugar. Brown sugar adds moisture and a chewier texture due to its molasses content, while granulated sugar contributes to crispiness and sweetness. Now it's time to add the baking soda and vanilla extract, using a ½ teaspoon of each. After all the ingredients are in one bowl, mix them well with a spatula until they are a uniform consistency.
If you haven't used your peanut butter in a while and a layer of peanut oil has separated on top, it's best to drain it off and not use it in the cookie dough. This will prevent the dough from becoming too loose.
Once the cookie dough is ready, pour the chocolate chips into the bowl and mix them just enough to combine. Overmixing the chocolate chips will cause them to melt, changing the texture and color of the cookie dough. Our goal is for the chocolate chips to be visible and have a satisfying bite in the finished cookies.
I would be grateful if you could support me by liking, sharing videos, and subscribing. Now that the dough is ready, we'll move on to shaping the cookies, which has a very important tip. You should do this with slightly damp hands. We'll moisten our hands with a little water and shape about a tablespoon of dough between our palms. The wet hands technique is a great trick for shaping sticky and oily doughs. Damp hands won't make the dough watery. Instead, it's an excellent way to better shape the cookies. A key point for making these cookies is that there's no need to use parchment paper or grease the baking sheet. The fat from the peanut butter will prevent the cookies from sticking to the baking sheet after they're baked. Preheat the oven to 175 degrees Celsius and bake the cookies for 10 to 12 minutes. After baking, place the cookies on a cooling rack. Now your delicious cookies are ready. Enjoy!